Welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Chat. Thank you guys for joining me again. Before I get into the video, and guys, it's gonna be an interesting chat, so to speak. It's a very touchy topic. Not necessarily touchy, but a shocking topic, I should say, because it's justice of the peace personnel we're about to talk about, and also a guidance counselor. These are the persons that look out for Jamaicans, persons that are having issues within the country. You can always go to a JP, always find a guidance counselor, reason with them. So whenever you hear that a JP or a guidance counselor is taking advantage of people, that's definitely a topic Jamaican Chat is going to be talking about. So I'm just going to get into the details. Promise you this is not going to be a long video. And before I get into the video, guys, I am begging you, please to like, please to share, please to subscribe. And we can be realistic, because you maybe don't like the video, and if you don't like the video, you can hit the thumbs down to show that you dislike it. That's even interacting with the video. And yeah, if you don't like the video, please subscribe. We're gonna be sending out more videos, so please give us the chance to earn your like, so to speak, and yeah, send out more videos. So please like our videos, share, subscribe. And it works well on YouTube can recommend the channel to other persons, and the channel will only get bigger from there, and so on. So all right, not to weigh you down with all the YouTube behind the scenes talk, let's get right in there, people. So just gonna read from Nationwide website. I always give credit where credit is due, and it kicks off like this: the Jamaican Association of Guidance Counselors in Education, JAGCE, is reacting with shock to news of one of their own being charged with rape and sexual offenses. In relation to allegations he engaged in a sexual relationship with one of his teenage students. The accused is Dawit Jeffery. You guys did see his photo in the thumbnail, and also it will be in the video, so you can take a look. Anyone know him, you can comment, let us know if he's a good guy, or if this is a behavior that we could expect from this person. So yeah, the accused is Dawit Jeffery. He is a guidance counselor at a St. Andrew Bay school. They're not gonna tell you the school. Maybe persons who know him, and Jamaica is not a large country, we're small, so more likely everyone will know the school that he's from. But we cannot just come out there and tell you the school that the person is a part of. It's gonna be too easy to get linked to the situation. So yeah, he's at a St. Andrew based school, and he's 29 years old, so he's not actually old. He's very young. He's 29 years old, and he's also a justice of the peace member. He's a preacher, whoa, a radio host, and founder of spirit-based group True Heroes Under God, thug worshippers. Whoa. Jeffrey is reportedly accused of raping the teenager at his office at the school in January. And we have a little voice note from the reporter at Nationwide, so I'm just going to play that as well, so we can get a full understanding.
President of the Association of Guidance Counselors in Education, Tracy and Taft Thompson, says she learned about the charges yesterday. She says Jeffrey is going through what she calls due process regarding his duties at the school, but she says he remains a member of the association.
I learned of it yesterday. I spoke with him, so he's going through the due process at the school. So he's currently on leave, and I would say that we, as an association, he's still a part of us, and we're offering any support that is needed to either party, because the charges are laid, but we want to see the evidence. When we see what the end result is, then we know what avenue to take. But again, I would say that both him and the victim, they would need some kind of psychological support, and we as an association would be there to help him.
She says she was left shocked by the allegations against her colleague. Mrs. Taft Thompson says the association is also seeking to establish the reason the entity's policy advising against counseling persons of opposite sex was disregarded.
I was shocked. I didn't expect that. That was a bit unexpected. It is not uncommon for accusations such as that to be laid as well. There is a policy that we have, or we're advised not to counsel persons of the opposite sex. So at times, that is overlooked because of the situation. We have to look at his school context to see the reason why he would have been counseling a female student. From what I gather, he is someone who can be depended on and who looks out for the well-being of students.
She says he maintains his innocence.
He is just in disbelief that it has gone to this level. I need to speak with him further today. I think he's coping with all that is happening because of the publicity. As I said, I don't have details, but he's coping as best. He's supposed to be a protector of the innocent and the voiceless. So for an accusation of that nature to come about, then, he can't be handling that well.
Stevian Sapoton for Nationwide News.
All right, thank you, Stevia Sapotan. So there you go, people. It plain and straight. So definitely, we're just chatting about it. I want to throw accusations. I want to attack, but I can't because it seems this is someone that is close to him that they were interviewing, and this is not something that she expected from him. People disappoint us every day, and believe me, if and when we find out say something really go like that, we have to talk about it. We have to put the blame where it's supposed to go. But for now, I guess we can just have a general conversation to, they were saying that persons that, like, if you're a male, you shouldn't be, guidance counselor for a male. If you're a female, should be the opposite sex, basically. You should do it for like same sex. I'm not necessarily going to agree with that because some of the times a female can only relate the issue to a male and vice versa, right? So while it would somewhat work out better in terms of, and even so, you still have same-sex praise. You understand? You still have persons who is of the same sex that is going to prey on the younger age person who is of the same sex and still do whatever. So we can't necessarily even look at it like that. So I don't agree with the same-sex coaching or something, or what they're trying to, that narrative that they're trying to push. Because I grew up I went to co-ed school and all of that. And we were males and we had female teachers and vice versa. So that is a totally different topic. So I'm not gonna say maybe if we had stuck to the rules, then this would have happened or whatever. But people, this is just one that we're gonna bring out today. Get you guys feedback. What do you think? This is something huge. And we are Jamaican. People always say, if it no go so, it near for go so. You understand? And that's the sad thing about it. Because these cannot just come out of nowhere, So either even if it's not rape, so to speak, and the child consented to it, then say that's still a no-no, because it's a child and you're a big man and you have to know better than that. You understand? And you have to be a protector. You get what I say? Yes, so you can't. And that is a thing what I want to put out there as well. And what this channel need to get out there as well. We nurture, right? We nurture, we love our females, we love our kids of the country. You understand? So we nurture them. You get what I'm saying? We nurture them. We don't deprive them. We don't take advantage of them or anything like that. So if that's what you're doing, Mr. Dawit, we're going to find out. More is supposed to come out because he's supposed to go to court. They're still waiting on evidence from both parties because I guess he's saying that he's not guilty of it, whilst the child is saying otherwise. So they must have phone calls, text messages, things like these to show, because it started after her birthday, so you don't want to say that he preyed upon her because he waited for her to, reach a certain age that he know that the child has sense and can, or maybe he was watching her, maybe him watch her body and, she curve up at that age and him decide say, me I go strike now. I'm tell you this, I'm a male, so I can tell you, say, man, you have some man out there, them wicked. May I tell you, you have wicked females, but me just I tell you, say, you have some men, they prey upon people's kids and wait for that child to come of age to go out and do for them foolishness. May I tell you so? And that's something more I go put past him. Cannot put it past him. I don't know him. I don't know him from nowhere. I am hoping that my viewers are gonna start commenting and let us know what they think, and if anybody know him, tell about him. You understand? Yeah, guys, please subscribe to our video. Please like, please share. I know it's a lot to ask, but please, it takes a lot from us to, create these contents and put them out. So please subscribe to our video, our channel. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're nowhere right now, but we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Let me know what you think about this topic that we're on. We're Jamaicans, we're gonna chat, we love to chat. Thank you for listening, people, and safe traveling out there today.